Hi guys, have a look at my new book, Chinese Conversations for Advanced, the final installment of my Chinese conversation theories, especially designed to help you to master spoken Chinese while exploring modern China. Now let's have a look inside.
高标准先生，大勇，好久不见，你的腿完全恢复了吗？谢表姐关心，完全好了，只可惜我爸妈彻底禁止我骑摩托车了。So this is the bilingual section. You can see with keywords bolded and with sentence patterns underlined. This is a learning tip. You will learn Chinese slangs. There's also discussion. And you will learn Chinese cousin terms 表 versus 糖. This is the keyword vocabulary section. You can see it's very long. 当初，当时，帅气，志气。This is the Chinese version of the conversation for you to test yourself.
When it comes to advanced Chinese learning, speaking is actually the easiest to master compared to reading, listening, or writing because it is based on everyday language that you are already familiar with. So be ready to jump in as it is easier than you think.